So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a comparison between the new Selkirk Labs 003 and Project 002, as well as compare it to one of my older Selkirk paddles. So I've already cut the tape, so we'll just dig in. Typical Labs unboxing. Nice little top card, get rid of that. Got this. I still don't know really what to say other than a cool certificate of authenticity. Don't know that I'll ever do anything with it, but hey, now I've got it. Get rid of that. And then the always bougie Labs paddle cover. Feels like Louis Vuitton or something like that. I don't know that I'm quite that bougie, but neither here nor there. Love this in the box. Okay, let's dig in. And there is the new Project 003, which is very cool, very sleek. Looks like a big, kind of fat gearbox paddle, honestly. And to be totally transparent, this is my second 003 because I got one about a week and a half ago, and after playing with it twice, it ended up getting a crack right about here, which I'll show you a picture of as well. But that is one good thing about Selkirk, is they stand behind their products, and they quickly ship me out a new one. So we'll see if this one lasts a little bit longer. So that is how I'm able to do a comparison between the 002 and 003. I didn't actually get my first one today. So, now there's the 003, there's the 002, and then here's my old S2 Vanguard. So I'm going to check the thickness, talk about a few of the different technologies in each one of them, but I'll start with the comparison between 002 and 003. So this is more of a traditional paddle with the outer guard on it. Obviously it's different than the 003. So it is a hybrid carbon and fiberglass face, is what they say, with a green tech propylene core. I can tell you from a playability standpoint, this has very good power and spin. Not quite as good a touch as, say, the old S2 Vanguard, but it's pretty solid. It's a good all-around paddle, and this is the first one with this what they call aerodynamic throat, which is kind of cool. People make fun of it sometimes, but I actually like the look of it. So then we'll get to the 003. It is a carbon flex fiber twill, whatever that means. It looks like carbon fiber. I don't know if it actually is truly carbon fiber, but we'll say it is. It's got an X7 thickset honeycomb core and an Aero Dura Edge edgeless technology. Say that 3 times fast. So, like I say, no edge guard on it. Basically one solid piece. And what everybody's been saying about this is absolutely true. It feels much lighter than it actually is. It's a very quick paddle. It's great at the net. It's just no other way to say it. It's quick. Now the downside is it doesn't have near the power of the 002. I mean, not even close. So you have to be willing to generate the power with this paddle. Which if you're a soft game player, that's great. If you're somebody who wants to generate power, then you better have something to back it up, because you're going to have to do it with this. Whereas this one, the 002, will really help you out. So let's get to the thickness test. And I've got my little digital calipers here. Let's see what it says. So basically 19 something, 20 millimeters, let's say, which is pretty thick. And this, obviously I can't get past the edge guard, but just to the edge guard it's what, 17, so probably another 3 or 4 off of that would be my guess. So maybe 15, 14, something like that, I'm guessing. And then the old S2 which was a pretty thick paddle. So with the edge guard it's 19 something, so it's it's pretty close to the 003, which, you know, if you've ever played with one of these, they are thick, but these have a ton of touch on them and good power. But the downside of these paddles, my opinion, is they don't have the spin. So I guess to wrap it up, this plays different than this for sure. It depends on what you want. It's not necessarily better or worse, but it's definitely different. It even makes, I know when I got my 002, everybody said how odd it sounded, and it does. Compared to some of the other paddles, it does sound odd. This one is even a different kind of odd. Obviously, you would expect that being a different technology than that. But overall, good spin, good touch. Good spin, great power, okay touch. And then the old school, great touch, good power, not so great spin, in my opinion. So, is it worth $333? Can't say yet. I've played twice with it. Is this worth $333? I would say absolutely it is. It's a great paddle. I've been very happy with it. And honestly, getting used to, this is the Invicta and this is the Epic, getting used to the length. Even though visibly it doesn't look like much difference, move it down here a little bit, not a lot of difference, it plays different. This one definitely feels longer in your hand. It's hard to explain, but it's just a little bit different, where this is a more traditional face style, I suppose. Anyway, that's my initial reaction to the new Epic Project Labs 003. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thanks. Oh, and don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.